हेलो तो दोस्तों, आज मैं हमारे चलते फिरते मोमेंट्स यूट्यूब चैनल का सबसे पहला फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट करने वाला हूँ। और टॉपिक काफी ट्रेंडिंग होने वाला है, जो कि है एआई के ऊपर हम लोग आज बात करने वाले हैं। हमारे साथ मेरे भाई बैठे हैं, जैन भाई।
नमस्ते।
तो एआई की बातें होगी, एआई के बारे में कुछ ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स है, उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन होगा, तो बहुत एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। तो आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए। कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैंने ऑलरेडी फिगर आउट कर लिया है कि जो पूछना है वो हम लोग पूछने वाले हैं जैन भाई से, क्योंकि वो उसी फील्ड में काम करते हैं। तो भाई कैसे हो?
मैं एकदम बढ़िया। नमस्ते भाई। नमस्ते दोस्तों सभी को। तो ये बहुत एक्साइटिंग पॉडकास्ट होने वाला है फॉर मी एज वेल, बिकॉज दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम हियर ऑन एनी पॉडकास्ट एवर। सो विल स्टार्ट विद दैट, एंड उसके पहले थोड़ा सा मैं अपने बारे में बताना चाहूंगा।
Yes,
तो
yes.
मैं एज एन एआई इंजीनियर लास्ट आई गेस 2.5 ईयर से काम कर रहा हूँ।
ओके।
तो मुझे इसमें कैसे क्या चीजें होती है, हाउ थिंग्स आर फ्रेम्ड एंड हाउ दे कैन यूज, एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन यूज दैट things whatever we framed in a big large scale companies or for benefit of those companies. So definitely it's a very interesting podcast and the best ever experience for me as well to encounter all the people out there for the first time. So let's start with that. Let's start with the question so we can initiate the thing. ये तो मैं भाई चलिए स्टार्ट
ठीक है,
करते हैं।
तो हम लोग क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, जैन भाई रिप्लाई देने की कोशिश करेंगे। आपको पसंद आया तो कमेंट में बताना, अगर पसंद आ रहा है। ठीक है। सो व्हाट इज द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन सिंपल टर्म्स
Okay.
फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स? कैन यू एक्सप्लेन?
Okay, so like initiating with like in a very layman terms, artificial intelligence एक तरह का brain है which mimic people. So
Okay.
what we can, I can give you as an example. Suppose I'll building a machine which see a person behavior सामने जो भी आ रहे हैं उनके, या फिर notice कर रहे हैं surroundings and they are learning from that. सपोज मैं उन्हें एक्शंस समझा रहा हूँ, या फिर दीज आर हैंड्स, दीज आर माई फिंगर्स, मैं समझा रहा हूँ उन्हें। तो
Exactly.
मिमिक करके दे कैन यूज दैट डेटा इन डिफरेंट वेज एंड ट्राई टू अपेंड दोज थिंग्स इनसाइड देम सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो give a kind of resemblance to the human like behavior. So this is like not more than that. This is it. Like
Okay. Okay. So this is AI.
हाँ,
You mean? Okay.
तो
Alright.
correct.
Let's go with the second question. How is AI different from traditional programming?
Okay.
What do you think on this?
Actually, bit of tricky question, but not for me. The thing is, in traditional programming, क्या होता है? We have a set of things which is logically set for a kind of what we can say functionality.
Right.
Suppose कि in a traditional programming, just like we are pending or developing something, so we have set of architecture we develop.
Right.
But in AI programming, we have to make that models learn. So for
Okay.
that we have experiments, we have huge data sets, we have different categorized learning, so that we can append onto the AI models to give us a retrieval answer. And this won't happen in traditional programming, which I think is very effective in the AI world nowadays.
So जैन भाई, just I was curious कि अगर किसी को AI में करना है तो सबसे ज्यादा मैंने सुना है पाइथन यूज होता है। क्या ये
जी।
सही है या गलत है?
जी, डिपेंड करता है। जैसे मोस्टली पाइथन इज गुड विद कंप्यूटेशनल लर्निंग। वो कंप्यूट अच्छे से कर लेता है। उसकी बिट मेमोरी पावर एग्जीक्यूशन बहुत अच्छा है।
तो यू मीन इट इज फास्टर?
इट इज फास्टर एट कंप्यूटिंग दोस मैथमेटिकल एल्गोरिथम्स इन बैकएंड। और पाइथन के अलावा एक और लैंग्वेज है, आई गेस सब व्यूअर्स ने सुना भी होगा, आर प्रोग्रामिंग। तो वो भी बहुत मैथमेटिकली एफिशिएंट है। So most of the companies out there also use such kind of languages. So mostly it is Python and R.
Okay. So let's go with the next question then.
Definitely we get to see.
Yeah. So what are some everyday examples of AI people already using?
Okay.
Can you give us some examples where AI is being
Sure.
used?
Like if you visit kind of machines out there, like robots are the best examples. If you listen or see some kind of robots which are like roaming here and there and setting up work or कुछ कर रहे हैं अपने लिए, so what they are doing, they are just setting up a kind of AI foundation and they are performing those things. Another thing is like AI powered apps. There are lots of apps here. अपन भी यूज करते हैं। GPT is the most famous.
Right.
आपने देखा होगा। तो those are the AI powered apps.
Okay.
How they learn, how they react, how they behave, behavioral exchange things, that is a complete different story.
Okay. So going to the next questions, guys. So is AI going to replace a human jobs or create a new ones? Very, very controversial topic actually.
Yes, it is very controversial. Like so many people asked me, and I give the same reply to them also. कि
Okay.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता yes for sure AI is learning
Because I have seen some people are fearful nowadays,
हाँ
even in the IT industry, that oh God, they are saying like oh मेरा job जाने वाला है. So is it like that? If because AI is coming into the picture, what do you think on that?
no, actually, like all those questions are a kind of partial myth. I'll clear you all people out. So the thing is, yes, AI is replacing jobs, but not in a either way. Like जो लोग सीखना नहीं चाह रहे, the people who are very stagnant.
Yeah,
Suppose I'll give an example: the person who is doing simple entry work or a kind of front end development, but not using AI
Yeah.
as in a kind of a helpful AI work so that they can beneficial in every terms. अगर उसके बिना आप कर रहे हो या फिर you don't want to expand your knowledge in either way of learning things greatly or to be in way to set all those things in a different way. So for that, yeah, definitely it is a kind of a threat or
Yeah.
कि job खतरे में है. If not, if they are very open to learn things,
Yeah.
then it will be very useful for them. As in a friend, they can use AI and excel in the career.
Okay. So we should, I think we should upskill ourselves
Yes,
according to
definitely.
how the things are going on, right? Okay, going to the next. What is the difference between AI, machine learning, and deep learning?
Okay.
Or all of them are same? What do you think on this?
Actually, there is a kind of hierarchical relationship. Just like if I'll give an example in Hindi, like there is Datu, then unke bete Papa, then unka bete, like you can understand me. So there is a good example of that. So yes, the grandfather is AI,
Okay.
which try to mimic things and is a kind of a subnet network where in that machine learning is a part where we can learn machines, we can learn machines, the algorithms, the set of steps that we can perform such kind of things in either a supervised way, unsupervised way, or in a kind of a reward basis, which we call reinforcement learning.
Hmm.
So like that, and machine learning के अंदर there is a field called deep learning.
Okay.
So it is a very interesting field. It just connect with people just like our brain is connected. So they have neurons.
Okay.
They have kind of feed forward networks. So it's a
Okay.
kind of mash.
Okay.
Just like जो आप मकड़ियों का ज़्यादा समझ सकते हो.
Yes, yes.
So they have connected things. Like suppose I have one dot which is connected with some information, another one is for different thing, and they connect. So it is a deep learning where all those NLPs and neurological learning is come. So yeah, it works in that circular way. Like first AI, then inside it ML algorithm, so that we can learn machine learning. And inside that, there's a very small field of deep learning where we have these NLP, deep learning techniques. And inside that, like what all things nowadays is very famous is that GPT, how we can use natural language processing with the chat optimization, with the video optimization, with image optimization, just like that. So it is very booming right now. And even मैं चाहूंगा कि आप सभी viewers को, if some in either way, if they are working in IT industry, they can learn a bit about how things are working, how GPTs are working, how those transformers are leveraging people's mind, their lives, and lots of multinational unicorn companies are booming. The best example is Perplexity. It's an Indian company from Arvind Srinivas, I guess.
Okay.
So he's a guy like, so we can took inspiration from such kind of people and proceed with that.
That's what. Yeah, good example actually.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let's go to the next again. How does AI learn from the data?
Okay.
Tricky question.
Okay. Like if I'll tell example in very simple way. Suppose we have something, we have some data which we collect and we make a model out of it. Model is आप समझ सकते हो एक kind of we use those data and perform some task and check what is the behavior. So from that there are some kind of AI learning techniques are there. There are some kind of models जिससे AI learn करता है. They have their own brain. We just have to set those things on a perfect or a kind of perpetual way in that brain. So like that only AI is learning and give us response. So the more data we train on AI, it will learn. So
Okay.
it is categorized in 3 different ways. Like one
So
is
data can be just text, or you mean media content also? It
yeah,
can.
it is
possible.
kind of non-relational data.
Okay.
Even the data which have no relation, the images are there. textual data is there, like even the Marathi data, lingual data,
okay.
you can give it to them,
Oh,
and
good.
also the images, videos, and it just diverted into those things. Divided into simple pixels, we can say. In AI things, we can tell them embeddings. So, and it will perform the analysis on top of that. There are so many techniques. I don't want to go in backend much यहाँ पे because it is a normal podcast. मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक kind of broader idea देना चाहता हूँ कि कैसे
Basics.
things work कर रही है. हाँ, kind of basics you can
of
say.
way.
Correct.
Okay, good. Thanks for explaining. Coming to the next, can AI think or be conscious like humans?
Yes, for sure. Even like nowadays, if AI is booming, that this is the only reason that AI starts mimicking things.
Yeah.
I guess it's been 10, 15 years. So many people, fan companies, all the people are experimenting with AI just for this tricky question which you asked right now to me. So definitely it will learn things. It will notice like what all things are there. And even if you're performing any task, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, AI is knowing all those things and putting all those things into the brain. They also
Okay.
have their cache memory. They also have their the stored long-term memory, just like things work. Like it just mimic human behavior. But the main thing जो मैं अभी जितना मुझे idea है, वो चीज AI is not emotional. AI can't think emotionally. If I select this thing on top of that, it will be beneficial for me and my body.
Yeah, yeah.
It can't that.
Yeah, it can't
Mimic
do
that.
that, right? That is the only drawback I see in AI, right?
वो भी हो सकता है आगे कुछ.
We don't know. Right. It is also possible.
Correct.
Let's see. Time will decide that, right?
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
Okay, let's go to the next. What are the biggest benefits of AI for the society? What do you think on this?
The main thing is like
It can calculate faster, or it can take the decision by its own. What do you think?
yes, it is. वो करता है प्रोसेस, चीजें करता है, बट एज एन सोसाइटी, एज एन मैं अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहूँ या फिर एज एन आप मोनाद कहूँ मैं लोगों के लिए, तो इट इज बेनिफिशियल इन सो मेनी वेज. वो सीख रहा है, वो सिखा रहा है, एंड इन अ करेक्ट वे. Second thing is it is very useful nowadays in monitoring people or in monitoring machines. Like there are so many vision models are there, just like a train की जो वो होती है ट्रैक, उस पे होल्स वगैरह पॉटहोल्स होते हैं. तो it is nowadays this much capable AI. It is tracking those holes with YOLO models are there, V8 models, and so many models are there. So it is like capable, definitely very capable of doing such kind of things and give a good benefit to society in every way. Like definitely data is the new gold. So AI is also taking those data and remember things and give it to the society back. But it's totally on you how you can learn and make portray things on top of that. अगर कोई नहीं करना चाहता तो for them, and if they are using it in a wrong way, taking data and just misspell it, so that will be really not a good thing to do.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
We do not promote that.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So coming to the last question, that is, how can we start career in AI if there are new engineers coming into the market trying to grab a job, looking for the opportunity? What do you
Okay.
think on this?
Okay. So मैं मेरी जर्नी बताता हूँ इस पे, so that people
Sure.
also resemble on what they are doing and what not. तो actually मैं AI में नहीं था शुरू से. I do my first internship as a backend engineer
Okay.
in .NET.
Okay.
So I have, yes, interesting.
Okay.
So it's a
I
very
didn't know
different
that.
field. I never know such kind of things. But the only thing which I know, taking reference from courses out there, YouTube
Yeah.
is also very free. So many people like Krishna, I guess, are just expanding things in a very good way. And so people can benefit from that and they can like use that thing as a leverage and learn AI. तो सबसे पहले अगर as a AI career track में आपको जाना है, आप कुछ भी हो, definitely you have to be very sharp, very calculative with maths. There are some statistical languages, mathematics is there, obvious. There is linear programming. There is kind of probability distribution where you get to know about how things are working, how AI is calculating things in backend, how the maths is the base of AI. So this is the thing. For that you have some topics which I state right now. उसके बाद आपको कोई सी भी एक language, I must suggest कि आप Python के through जाओ.
Okay.
Learn about basics, how things are working. Learn about libraries which in AI you have to learn. Just like for initial basis, you know how to just play with data set. You know how to do feature engineering. You know how to do fundamental analysis. For that, कुछ libraries है जैसे NumPy है. Matplotlib hai for splitting all those things and checking. And there are some ML libraries, scikit-learn is there, TensorFlow is there for calculating all those things in a deep way. So it's very interesting. And after that, if you get your base done with a basic language, जो आपने Python ली है, कुछ libraries पढ़ ली आपने, उसके बाद yes, you can transfer knowledge of what you have and think in a big way. मतलब उसके बाद आप machine learning models को पढ़ सकते हो, बहुत सारे होते हैं, types of machine learning पढ़ सकते हो, कैसे मैं supervised and supervised reinforcement कर सकता हूँ, कि data के through learn करवाऊँ, बिना data के through करवाऊँ learn, या फिर मैं AI को बोलूँ मैं तुझे gift दूंगा, you can reply me back, और मैं तुझे अगर gift as in false point दूँ कि ये तुमने अच्छा नहीं करा, तो you also learn from that.
Oh,
So it is an interesting thing. तो in this way you can proceed with that. मैंने भी ऐसे ही सीखा था थोड़ा बहुत. I'm not that great or knowledgeable in this thing, but yeah, I'm working with models. I'm working in this field as in deep learning, how things are working from past 2 years. So I have a bit of knowledge.
okay.
So it is good.
So अब तक तो मुझे भी बहुत सारी बातें पता चली. अगर आपको भी कुछ नया पता चला है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बता देना गाइस. हम लोग यहाँ पे हमारा पॉडकास्ट यहीं पे खत्म करते हैं. ये बहुत ही शॉर्ट पॉडकास्ट था. भाई के साथ सबसे पहला पॉडकास्ट मैंने किया है, तो आई थिंक इट विल बी, आई मीन, मेमोरेबल.
Yeah, it is for sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
ओके, अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा लगा, किसी स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे आपको एलोबरेट करके चाहिए, तो हमें जरूर बताना कमेंट सेक्शन में.
Yes, for
Thank you,
sure. You can subscribe the channel. Like I
चलते
go
फिरते
through.
moments.
Yes,
चलते फिरते moments.
I go through videos. I like it's really interesting. Like
Yeah.
at time when I'm in Bombay, feeling a kind of like what all things are here. And I saw the videos. It resembles a lot. And
Yeah.
one more thing, like if you like this podcast, for sure, like if you have some kind of sentiments or feelings that this podcast will expand in a group or society where learners are all around, you can just
Yeah.
share this video out there.
Yes, do share with your
Yes.
friends who are looking forward to work in the AI career. Maybe this can be helpful for them.
And one more thing, like apart from this podcast, अगर और कुछ knowledgeable in deep how things are working as in a code level, अगर कोई interested है, कुछ जानना चाहते हैं कि मैं कैसे वर्क कर रहा हूँ, like what all projects I worked on, like not specifically but in what way, so definitely we can just come up with another podcast.
Yeah, definitely. No,
Good.
but
Yes.
it's a good idea.
Yes, yes.
Actually, we can come up with a more detailed podcast also.
Yes, yes.
That's
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.